Hermine threat leads Atlantic City to cancel Labor Day weekend beach concerts. Due to the ominous weather forecast for Labor Day weekend at the Jersey Shore, Atlantic City has decided to cancel 2 of their 3 beach concerts planned for this holiday weekend. The move is the latest blow to the Jersey Shore economy for the usually busy Labor Day weekend. On Thursday night, Zac Brown Band performed in Atlantic City, but Saturday's Florida Georgia Line concert and Monday's Blink-182 concert have been canceled. Following the decision, Atlantic City Mayor Don Guardian released a statement urging visitors to still spend their weekend in Atlantic City despite the cancellation of the shows. Due to the significance of the approaching tropical storm Hermine, and out of an abundance of caution for concert-goers, staff, the bands, and everyone else involved, we along have decided to cancel this weekend's beach concerts scheduled for this Saturday, 9/3, and Monday, 9/5. Given the extreme weather conditions predicted for the beach this weekend, we were left with no other choice. However, Atlantic City's casinos and restaurants will still be open for business. If you want to come on down to Atlantic City early Saturday and ride out the storm inside one of our luxurious casinos or hotels, there will be no better place to be this Labor Day weekend. Also, please note that starting 12 p.m. on Saturday, September 3, 2016 through Tuesday, September 6, 2016 at 12 p.m., the CRDA Wave Parking Garage will be open and free to park any cars that are usually stored in low-lying areas. Thank you and please stay safe this Labor Day weekend.